In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Netlify. Let's get started by ensuring you're signed in to your Netlify account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the site dashboard for the particular site you wish to connect your custom domain to. This will be your starting point for all domain-related settings and modifications, so it's essential to have the correct site in focus before you proceed. Once you're in the site dashboard, shift your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you will spot an option labeled Domain Management. In some versions, you might just see it as Domains. This section is where you'll manage all aspects of your site's domain, including the addition of new domains, configuring DNS records, and more. So go ahead and click on that. After you've accessed the Domain Management section, the next task is to click on Add Domain. From there, select Add a domain you already own. This option is necessary because we're assuming you've already purchased a domain through a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain provider, and now you simply want to link it to your Netlify site. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Make sure you type in the full domain, such as yourdomain.com, something unique to your brand or project. Once you've correctly entered your domain, click on Verify or Add Domain, depending on the prompt you receive. This step ensures that the domain is in fact yours and ready to be linked to your site. At this stage, you might be prompted with a choice regarding your DNS management. Netlify offers two primary ways to manage your DNS settings. You can either choose to manage DNS via Netlify DNS or opt to use an external DNS provider. If you decide to manage DNS through Netlify, Netlify DNS will handle all DNS queries for your domain, making processes like custom domain setup, ensuring SSL certificates and renewals, and even adding subdomains more streamlined. On the other hand, if you prefer to keep your DNS where it is, perhaps because you manage many domains or need certain advanced configurations, simply choose to continue using your current external DNS provider. Make your selection based on what suits your needs best. Managing DNS through Netlify brings the added benefit of having all your domain settings under one roof, which can be advantageous for streamlined website management. However, if you're already comfortable with your current setup, sticking with your existing provider might be the way to go. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom domain to your Netlify site. Enjoy the whole new world of opportunities a custom domain brings to your site, from improved branding to increased credibility. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.